Alrighty, what is up, garden friends? So today I wanted to start off episode 3 with just showing you the plants that we have growing right now. Besides the ones that we got in the last episode right here, these ones right here, I also want to show you the other plants that I've grown myself, such as my potato plant right here. It's already beginning to get a lot of growth, and it just started growing like 2 days ago, and it's already getting up there. And so is this one right here, my second potato plant over here. Already got 2 little buds shooting up, and yeah, that's where I want to start the vlog with some cool plants that are already starting to grow. But let's get into it. Let me recap, y'all. So I was just talking about how I had a dream, because like yesterday we were supposed to go to there, but I woke up too late because I was watching Netflix with my mom and my nana. So I woke up too late and I wasn't able to go. And tonight, well, sort of last night, I had a dream where at the end of the dream, it was like I woke up too late and then I didn't get to go again, and that's how I woke up. So I was just sleeping like this, and then that came across my mind. It's like, sorry, we can't go, and I work. And then I said, then I went to and tapped on his back, like, come on, wake up, wake up, wake up, come on, I can't be late. I can't let that dream become my reality. We're heading out, right back to Lowe's. Ooh, blurry. We're heading right back to Lowe's to go there. Just making sure I got it. Hey, Beauty. Stop. See, there goes Beauty, wandering around. Did I already show you guys the potato plants? Yes, I did.
Like money, everywhere I go, and everywhere I be. Like money, even walk like money.
I've arrived at Lowe's, and now we officially know the best thing to do is to come earlier. Cause like, look at this. That's where the line was the last time we were here. But there's no line there. It's just people walking around because people who got here early. It's just walk up now. So from now on, we know earlier because the first come, first serve. First come, first serve. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Look, if I let you paint my page, will I get paid? Or will I just get made fun of for numbers of reasons of fear of defeating? If I sound like text, do I get...
I'm recording on my phone, but I'm going to get the camera out the car. But look at this. This is the berry tree that we got. And we're going to put this in this, I think this is I think it's like about a 10 giant gallon pot. This is where we're going to put the blackberry tree in. Hopefully that can help me with digging up this first layer of grass, and then we can add our extra things that we bought, like the cow manure and the mushroom compost that we bought to go with all of this with the pea moss. Honestly, we have enough just to spread the whole area around. To be honest, for this bed, if we were adding another bed, we will have enough for not only these 2 beds, but then if we bought wood, went back to wait, we got those at Lowe's. Yeah, if we went back to Lowe's real quick. Yeah, they cut it there, and we can just get zoom, and just get it cut real quick and just be. Then we have 4 beds, and since we have 6 cubic feet of of peat moss, we got 3 cubic feet. We got 6 cubic feet of this pine bark mulch. We got cow manure, and this is 40 pounds of cow manure right here. Mushroom compost, vermiculite, some extra garden soil right here. We will have enough for another 2 beds easily.
Are you sure about that?
And if not, still, that means there's still a few beds already filled. But what needs to be done is just picking up in either with shovel or by hand, just getting the first layer of grass, and then what happens after we get the first layer of grass up, then we put these amenities on top of them. So when we we start mixing the amenities, I can also get the other potting soil that I use and mix it and even make more potting soil. Like it just works. It works. Period. It works. And we can even make the board smaller. So like instead of wait, I got the measuring tape inside. Let me just measure out real quick. No, just to mention, I'm realizing that there's actually, I was wondering who put this. Oh my gosh, that's a lot more than before. So there seems like there's some birds that have already built a nest under here. Wow, that's pretty great. Let me put this back on because it is their home now. I don't want to mess up their home. There's some birds that have already built a little home in there. That must have been the birds that I seen just now leaving. So now we got little birds in here. So that's really cool. Let me stuff some more of their stuff. I don't want to take up their work. Let's go. So we were thinking about, like, let me just update you. We're gonna make 2 extra beds. See, this is so 2 extra beds. Since I already bought these bricks right here, and we just need the exact same thing for $36. And Dad just gave the go for us to go right back to the store, back to Lowe's, and pick that thing up. So let's go. Woo! Let's go. We got ourselves the lumber and another 2 cubic feet of soil with 12 extra blocks for the extra beds. And it's a lot hotter outside. Man. Alright, so we are back home and we realized something. So the wood that we bought in the store is not stained. So this right here, this wood was not stained, but we still got it anyway after realizing that when we got home. So this is just, we're gonna get some more stained wood because now we know, like, you know, differences and everything. But we're gonna keep this wood as basically an outline, so when we dig through this, we know to also include these areas as well to dig through. But yeah, as you see, the second bed right here, and then the third bed will go right around here. All right, so, oh, am I still in shot? Oh, cool. So, it has some little bit of time to rest, but for building, well, for digging up the rest of like the first layer, because this wood right here, like I mentioned, it's not stained. So it's not stained wood. Ow, landed on my toe. That's what's painful. But that's what I was saying. Since we don't have, these aren't stained, they won't survive through like all this. Yeah, they're not stained basically. Yeah, they're not stained. They need to be stained. So instead of staining these directly, because staining the cost of just staining them will be probably the same amount as getting boards that have already been stained. So what we're gonna do is tomorrow we're gonna go back to the store, go back to Lowe's where we got these stained boards and get some more for basically the exact amount that we need. And because we need to do that, but we still have like the outline of how much we need to dig up the grass. So we're back again, and right now my neighbor, a nice sweet old lady, and she has lots of gardening equipment. So right now I'm taking and she had a tree cut down recently, so she has lots of good wood chips, and the soil is all purified and ready to go. It's just mulch just sitting there. It's just gold, so I'm gonna get some of that, and she let me use some of her tools too, which was really great. So I'm gonna start recording that and just showing you guys what I'm doing right now. shoot. Man. This is some hard work right here. Yep. This is a pretty hard work. But let me just show you, because the other container that you guys watched me put some of the wood chips, compost, truly, all together was too heavy, so I'm not really moving that thing right now. So I got it into one of the buckets that we bought today in today's episode. But just look at this. It may just look like dirt to you, but like, let me show you. Let me show you the difference. This neighbor, she cut her tree down, so through that process, all the chips that got cut apart just composted the soil and made it rich and like reusable to grow a garden with. And I didn't really know that much before this about gardening, so I just realized it a little while ago, and I was like, yeah, I could use this for the soil compost. So let me show you. So like I just showed you this. You see that? So it may just look like just dirt scraps to you, but let me show you something. That is it with the wood chips basically composting over time, and this is what I digged up a little bit yesterday. I didn't really do too much today, so I'm going to say yesterday. Look, here's the difference. You see that? Let me try to get the camera focus. See this? It's just, since we're zone 6, our soil is clay basically. See? Muddy clay. That's the type of soil that we have here. But this is composted. Since it composts and the wood chips composted over time, it created this. So basically, with wood chips and compost, it went from this to this. Usable soil that we're going to be adding to the garden. So, still waiting for Dad to come home so we can start, you know, pulling up the rest of this grass and everything. But even until then, this is going to be a bit of a longer video, because today is one of the first days that we actually kind of have about every single thing we need, besides getting some more wood, like a different type that's already been primed and everything, and saving the other wood. Besides that, it's kind of been like the first time where we like really had everything. Well, not everything. We still need that, like I said, but like everything in the standpoint, like we got all the stuff that we need to mix the soil with. We got the peat humus, the pine bark, the cow manure, the raising bed soil with gardening soil, vermiculite, mushroom compost, perlite. We got all the things. And even if, let's say, we need some more, we have this fresh compost and a whole yard full of it that we can use time to time when we need so. So truly, the garden is almost completely finished, and it's about to be ready to begin. So when I will take out the first layer of soil, this is what we'll be putting in. This right here. This right here. That's what we're going to be putting in. So, very excited, very excited. Let me stop bending down. I can just make the camera angle higher. Oops, no I can't. No I can't without it falling. Forgot this is an older tripod. I'll just stand back farther. So, we sort of have everything we need. And it's starting to get windy. And today's just been a beautiful day. There's been no rain, no nothing at all. It started off like 45 degrees today, then just shot up to 67. So I've been able to wear short sleeves this whole time, and I've got a lot of things done. So still waiting for Dale to get back at the moment, and yeah, just been cool recording all the process of doing this. It's been really cool. So we're gonna keep going, and I'll check back in. I'll check back in a little bit. Okay? Bye bye. As you see, Dad is back, and we are at the moment digging up. We're trying to get at least this bed done today. So enjoy watching us do free labor, but it's not really labor because it's for our garden. Right?
Right. I was telling Jason, back in slavery, our ancestors had to do this for free to benefit somebody else's land. But this is our land. We're going to build us a garden so we can sustain ourselves with our own fruits and vegetables. Peace out.
Gangster gardening. Shout out. Let's get started.